Hi, welcome to another video. In this quick video, I will show you how you can convert any image into a static website, any image into code using ChatGPT. So we will need three things here: the ChatGPT and the code pane and the design. So we pick this design. So take a screenshot, the full screenshot of this website, and put it here and ask ChatGPT to write code for this screenshot. So you can see the ChatGPT is analyzing this picture and will start write code in few seconds. So the ChatGPT has written the HTML and CSS code for this screenshot, and now we will copy this code and paste it to CodePen to see how the codes are. So I copy the HTML code and paste it here, and I copy the CSS code and paste it here. Let's see how the website look like. So this is the website looks like. This is the only structure created by ChatGPT. But hold on, this is not the right way to convert the screenshot into code. For accurate result, you need to give ChatGPT screenshot section by section. So I am taking a screenshot of this section and put it to ChatGPT for accurate result. So I just saved it using Lightshot and go back to the ChatGPT again and click here, upload the file from your computer, take the screenshot of that section and write the command. So we give this section a screenshot and write the command, write HTML and CSS code for this section accurately. Now ChatGPT is writing the HTML and CSS code for this specific section. Let's see how ChatGPT can convert this screenshot into code. We have the HTML code, just copy the HTML code and paste it here on the HTML section. Now copy the CSS code and paste it here. You can see ChatGPT made the design same to same like the screenshot. So there is an image and border. You can see there is an image and border. We need to put the image, and on the right side we have these three sections. These three sections are created perfectly. This is how you can convert any screenshot into code using ChatGPT. Now if you have a reference website and want to create a same to same website like the reference website, you can check the left video where you can learn how to download a website files and customize it as per your need and use it. If you want to host your website on your own computer, just click on the right video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and consider subscribe our channel to get more informational videos for free.